Welcome back, my dear students. So in this particular section, we're going to be talking about everything of the products. Now we will be starting up with the product types. All right, there are different types of products. There is simple product, variable product, and there are also affiliate product, the group products, and also downloadable products. So we're going to be taking a look at all of them, but in this particular video, we're going to be talking about the simple products. Similarly, then we will be talking about categories, tags, and attributes. And basically, in other words, we're going to be taking a look at everything that are in this products tab, and we're going to be working up with this in this particular section. So let's just go ahead and let's take a look at it. Once you will go to all of your products, you will get a list of all the products that your website contains. And in the previous section, as you know, that we created two products. This is the sample product that we created for working up with the coupons, and this is the product that we played with. We played with, like, integrated our payment gateways to accept payments and everything, and we basically worked with it. Now you can see that these were the products that we added in the previous section. Now, which type of product is it? Let's take a look at it. First of all, what I want you to do is to go ahead and get rid of the sample product that you created in the previous video before, and make sure that you do have only one single product so there are no confusions. Alright, my dear students, so let's just go ahead and let's take a look at this particular product. What I want you to do is to click on edit, and you will be taken to the edit page window. Alright, so now since we are on this particular window, let's just go ahead and let's discuss each and everything what is here. Now here it says this is actually the title, this is going to be the description of the product, the long description, and then we go down, then we've got this product data. So inside the product, this particular tab is really very important. And here it says the simple product. So when this is selected, this can define the first category of the product that is actually the simple product. And what does the simple product allows us to do? Simple product allows us to just set a single price, and you can just put that item on a sale if there is a sale. You can also schedule the sale, like when the sale will be started and when the sale will be ended. You can also just schedule it like that, or you can go ahead and you can set this to manually. Similarly, the tag status is right here, so we already worked with it when we were working up with the tags. In the inventory, there is going to be the inventory, like how much stock quantity should be there. We have already worked with it, with the settings. Now remember one thing, I told you that when you will be working up with the settings, there are so many things that we will be covering side by side, and when we will be just taking a look at them, then it will be so much easier for you to understand like what we did. And for the shipping, we worked with the shipping class. You can also define the weight for the person to see like how many pounds does this particular product weighs. Similarly, now we have got the link products. So link products are something that we will be talking about later on in detail when we will be having some more products on our website. And then we've got the attributes. So attributes are something like you can see that we have got this iPhone. Now this particular iPhone will be in, like, will have some of the qualities in it. Like those particular qualities can be like, does it support 3G? Does it support 4G? So these type of things comes usually in attribute. And we'll be talking about attribute later on in detail when we will be basically working up with another type of product that is actually called the variable product. And then we have got the advanced. So here is going to be the purchase note. So this is a note that will be automatically sent to the user whenever the user purchases it. So remember when we were working up with the email settings, and I told you how an administrator can add a note to an order. So this is exactly like that. When a product will be purchased, there is going to be a note that will be sent to the user, sent to the customer, so he can receive that. And similarly, the menu order, this is not that much used. And the reviews, so if you want to enable the reviews, you can enable it. If you want to disable it, you can disable it. And so these are the settings, and these are actually the most important settings we use in the product, in a simple product, in a variable product, or in any type of product. Similarly, now we have got the short description, and we've got this review that is already here and that has been approved since we did that by going into the comments. If you want to delete it, you can go ahead and you can delete that particular review as well. So on the sidebar right here, here's going to be the information about this particular product. Like you can set its visibility to be published, or you can set it to be private if you want to, or just like pending review if you want to do that. Similarly, we have got the visibility, that's going to be public. You can set it to be password protected, so that if anyone just comes to your particular this product, he has to enter a password. And these are usually these type of settings that are not that much used, because when we are building an e-commerce website, all the products that we post on there are usually public. Similarly, now we've got the publish date and we've got the catalog visibility. That means that the product will be there on the shop page and will also be there in the search results. So search results we will be talking about later on in detail when we will be designing this particular website. And then we've got the product categories. So as I told you that you can add categories, like let's suppose this is an iPhone, so you can create a category that's going to be a mobile phone. And inside that particular category, you can add that particular iPhone to that this product into that particular category. Similarly, now we've got this product tags, so we will be talking about the product tags later on. And then we've got this extra settings. Now this is actually the theme settings. And this type of settings is something that we will be talking later on in detail when we will be designing this particular website. And right here, we have got this product image, and then we have got the product gallery. So in the product gallery, like what you can do is that you can click on it. And now what you can do is that you can select multiple images. So let's suppose that I select this image, and I also select this image. Let's add this to gallery, and you can see that this will be added to the gallery. So let's suppose that now I want to add another image. I will select this and I will click add to gallery, and you can see that the two images are actually added into my gallery. And now if I just go ahead and I just hit update, now you can see that when we will go into the view product, there will be like multiple images on our website, like this, and this. This is going to be the featured image. That is going to be the main image of this particular product. And then we've got another image, so you can click on it, and here is going to be that. And if you will click on it, here is going to be the other image that is going to be shown. So this is how basically it's going to work. Let's just go ahead and let's get rid of these product gallery right here, because we don't want to talk about, we don't want to add it right here. So that was all for the simple product. Now I have explained you everything about a simple product in this particular video, and you guys do know about the simple product. That is why I do not have to explain you everything. Now in the next video we will be talking about the variable product. So variable product is something like, let's suppose that you are selling this particular mobile phone. Now, if a user comes to this particular website, and now there is no information like what is the capacity of this particular phone. Like this phone can be like 64 GB, this phone can be 256 GB, and there are just like capacity of that. And similarly, the person has to select colors, like what is the color. So whether this is a space gray phone or the midnight green phone, or what is the color of this particular phone. So how can you just go ahead and how can you just like choose it from there, and the prices can be changed based on that. That is what we call as a variable product. So in the next video we will be going ahead and we will be talking about that, and we will be going ahead and we will be creating variable product in that particular video. Stay tuned.